This video is not a clickbait. Everything you are going to learn from this video, you can not only apply it on art, but also any skill you want. And the 4-step process that I'm going to talk about in this video is not something that I found just randomly scrolling on social media or on Google. So if you know, there is a course called Superbrain by Jim Kwik. On that course, they promise that this course will help you to learn anything, any skill 3 times faster. And I took that course. Don't ask me how I took that course, but I took that course. And yes, this video is about that 4-step process. And trust me, at first it will seem like a normal everyday thing, but if you put it into practice, it will really change the game for you. And the 4th step is the game changer. Literally, it is the game changer. So ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The 4-step process is called FAST, and let me explain. So every letter of this word FAST is connected with every step of the process. So first letter is F, and F stands for forget. So what you need to forget? You need to forget everything that you know about that topic when you are learning, so that you can learn as much as possible and you can absorb all the information with an open mind. And the second thing that you need to forget is your self-limiting beliefs. Beliefs that you are not good enough, you can't do this thing, or you can't do that thing, that you can't learn anything faster. And those self-limiting beliefs is literally is a cage for you and for all of us. You have to forget those self-limiting beliefs. And I would recommend a book called The Magic of Thinking Big. You can read that book, and yeah, you need to forget your self-limiting beliefs. Also, the third thing you need to forget is situational things. Situational things means everything that comes into your mind when you are learning that skill. Like some argument you had the other day, or an idea just came into your mind, and just write those ideas down at that time and don't focus and don't process them into your mind, so that you can learn as much as possible the topic you are learning. It's time for our second step, letter A, which stands for active. You can't learn a skill by being passive. You can't learn a skill by being passive. You need to be active in the community or when you are learning the skill. So how you become active? You need to ask questions, or you need to take notes on whatever you are learning. Literally anything you are learning, you need to take notes or ask questions. If you are learning from a book, I will probably make a video on how to learn from a book, from art books, and if you want that video, I will probably drop that video on the next week, so you can subscribe this channel for that. So I am dividing this video into 2 parts because I think it's really long for my channel. So I am dividing it into 2 parts, and I'm gonna release the second part within 2 days. So subscribe this channel and press the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And that was it for this video. See you in the next video.